and welcome to Stand Up Diaries, entry 54, and this one's called Comedy Poster Day. And sorry, the bird's kind of going crazy. I'm excited today about a few things. One, I have some new pencil crayons. What? So many pencil crayons, including silver and gold, so I'm pretty stoked about that. And also, I'm stoked because it was Comedy Poster Day. I actually received it late last night. My friend Wojciech, he's a comic and he's also an incredible graphic designer, and I hired his services to make a wicked cool comedy poster for my show on Monday, March 24th at 7:30 at the Comedy Bar at Bloor in Ossington, and he just came through with a wicked poster. Like, it's like Christmas to me getting these posters because it's so exciting. I have no idea what they're gonna look like. I'm not the artist. I mean, this is about as good as it gets when it comes to my art. And yeah, he just made a really wicked poster, and it's my Facebook profile picture. And he makes them so good that they're printer quality. So I'm gonna try a new thing where I'm gonna print off some posters and just like poster around the area. Cause it's always good just to try out new things to see if it gets a few extra people in the door. And it's something that I'm selling that I believe in. Like I'm good at marketing and sales, but I hated, I used to work in an electronics store where I would sell things, and you know, you'd have to sell extended warranties and you always had quotas and numbers, and I hated that type of environment because I didn't believe in what I sold. And then I started working for a renewable energy company, and I did believe in what I sold, so it was much better. And now that I'm doing these comedy shows and I'm putting so much effort into making my comedy great and choosing amazing comedians to be on the show, like, I have no problem trying to market and sell this show because it's such a fun time, and I really hope to make like repeat customers out of the people that come. And I even talked to a security guard today at a company downtown and was telling him about the show and what I wanted to get as a door prize, and he suggested doing like a date night thing where I put in a couple cool funny movies, some popcorn, and make a little gift basket. So I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Anyways, this has been your next edition of Stand Up Diaries. I have been Michelle Christine, and this is Maple, the lovebird.